are going to learn about a grammar part, and in that we are going to learn where we can use the words like in, on, behind and under. Students, do you know what we call all that words? See, we call it prepositions. What we call it? Prepositions. Actually, preposition is a very vast concept, but according to your syllabus, we are going to learn about only preposition of location. Okay? What is mean by preposition? Do you know? See, I will tell you the definition of prepositions. See, a word that tells us where a person, animal or things is. What prepositions tells us about where is the person, animal or thing is. Means in which place, in which condition the person, things and animals are. Who tells us? Preposition of location tells us. From that we are going to learn about in, on, behind and under. Okay? See, this is a pencil and this is a box. Okay? I put this pencil here. Okay? Where I put the pencil? I put the pencil in the box. Where I put it? In the box. Okay? Now, see here. This is a pencil. Again, this is a box. I put this pencil here. Where I put this pencil? Yes, of course, I put the pencil on the box. Where I put? On the box. Now see here. I put this box on the table and I put this pencil here. Where I put the pencil? Yes, you are right. I put the pencil behind the box. Where I put? Behind the box. And suppose again this is a box, this is a pencil. First I put the pencil on a table and then I put box on it. Now tell me where I put the pencil? Yeah, of course it is on a table, but in another sentence we can say that I put pencil under the box. Okay, understood? Is it clear concept to all of you that in means where, on means where, behind means where and under means where. Now open your textbook on page number 66 for more example and better understanding. See students, topic number 25, in, on, behind, under. Okay, read the sentences given here. Mala has 6 pets. Let us find out where those pets are. See here. Doggo. The dog is under the table. Where is the dog? See. Dog is under the table. Okay. See the next one. Kitty. The cat is behind the door. Where is the kitty? Kitty is behind the door. Now next. Jumpy, the rabbit is on the mat. It looks at Creepy. Okay, where is the rabbit? On the mat. Now next one is Creepy. Creepy, the parrot is in the cage. It is looking at the monkey. See, where is the Creepy? In the cage. And where Creepy looking? Creepy is looking at the monkey. Okay. Now see the next. Zorro, the horse, is jumping over the fence. See. Zorro, the horse, jumping over the fence. See the next. Shiny, the squirrel, is jumping into the basket. Squirrel jumping into the basket. Students, read this carefully. See the next page. The words under, behind, on, in, at, over and into tells us the position of animals. Such words may also tell us the position of other animals, things, places or persons. Some other position words are near, between and above. Understood? See, look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. The clock is on the wall. See, here is the picture. The cat is between two mice. Here is one and another one is here. And between of them, cat is there. The girl dived into the pool. The horse was going up the hill. Mother was coming down the stair. Her head is above the water. The lady walked into the room. The bat is near the ball. Students, you have to read these sentences carefully because here is one activity for you to solve. Okay? Turn the page. Question A. Take the correct words in the brackets. The painting is dash in or on the wall. On is the correct answer. The cat is in the basket. In is the correct answer. The chair is near the table. Near is the answer. The bird flew over the tree. Over is the right answer. Samir is between Nina and Nidhi. The cat jumped into the well. The boy went up the hill. The bell rolled down the stairs. The bicycle is behind the gate. The head of the frog is above the water. See the next page. Look at the pictures given below. Write at, in, on, near, over the or under, from the basket as needed. See, here is one paragraph. You have to complete according to this picture. Okay? Let's start. Priya went to the park. She saw her friends there. Rohit was standing under a tree. Okay? He was looking at Niti. A small bird flew over the tree. Niti was happy on the swing. Aunt Nina was near the pram. The baby was in the pram. She smiled at Priya. Hari and Raj were on the seesaw. They looked at Priya. She went to the merry-go-round. Ruhi also came to play with her. All the children were happy in the park. Okay, students, are you understood the concept of prepositions? Okay, you have to complete these pages in textbook and write in your notebook and send me the photocopy on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.